So I decided to join this course with Lucas Susana because I was feeling that I needed more tools to find my true life purpose. I was lacking some connection with my inner self, emotionally and mentally, and so that potential inside me was not being fully developed, or I was not using it to the best. And I came to the right place. I've been discovering many things about myself, about my previous relationships, my current relationships, about my inner child, my past, my relationships with my family, and all these feelings and new thoughts, they are just replacing old beliefs and negative patterns that I had, and it's been great. I actually thought that I was lacking strength, that I had a fear of failure to try new things, to go into new projects, personal or professionals. And I discovered that that was just my own beliefs. There was no evidence, there was no true facts in my life that would support that. And so we have now sort of replaced that with a very positive attitude that I can now confront and take new challenges as they come in the best way I can. So this is, I think, one of the things that I've gained from the course and that I will be using to um, change my career now. I'm gonna do something that I like a lot more. And now I'm focusing all my intention, all my thoughts, and all my potential into realizing this. So yeah, it's been a roller coaster. It's been a great experience, and these guys are very patient. They are very, they can connect with you in a very deep level. So it's one of the best things that happened in my life. I think the most powerful approach that Luke and Susanna have is that they are mentors, they are coaches, but at the same time they're humble enough to make us feel that we are all progressing together. So it felt like we were going side by side and slowly, healing in our own ways. And they are very patient, so that makes the atmosphere very nice, very healthy and positive. I would recommend this course definitely to anyone that is going through a life transition that can be emotional, can be related to a job, a transition, career change, can be related to life purpose, because they have very powerful tools to let yourself be your own guidance and have your own wisdom speaking to you. And also anyone that is just feeling that there is something off, or there is something not quite balanced in their life, these guys, they can really put the light into a lot of events or special relationships from your past that you're not even aware they are negative now, and they are affecting your life, and they can uncover it in a very healthy way, very positive, so you can make the best out of your own potential.